Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam.
Jazz.
We are back here at the Disneyland Resort. Today is a Saturday, my first official Saturday off from working for the past 6 years on Saturdays. But very excited to be here. Gotta start coming regularly on the weekends. Well, not that regularly.
Yeah,
but anyways, we're definitely here to do some pin trading. Gonna go to Frontierland, go see what we find on the boards. So far, walking in, the environment is really nice. It's very lively.
Great.
Weather's great.
It is a little packed.
I'm in a good mood right now. Only gonna be here for a couple hours because it's February 1st. If you know, you know. Gotta be here. But yeah, other than that, we're gonna have some fun. What else? Is there anything you want to see? Anything you're looking for?
I want to eat something.
Right. Yeah.
I want to try something new.
Let me get her a coffee. So.
And a coffee.
All right, let's go, guys. Hello, how's it going? No. Thank you. I feel like I've showed this before, but here's what it looks like outside of the packaging. And this one, I know I haven't showed. It's a full frame set for the Winnie the Pooh 25 years pin celebration. I'm pretty sure there's more pins that are going to be released and you just put them on there. But I guess you can put whatever kind of pins you want in there. So for a display set, that's pretty cool. I'm going to get the price right now. Alright, and this pen just released this past Tuesday. It's the gummy hats from the Top Hat Treats series. I know they have a Donald one coming up, but I'm not sure if this is a monthly series or this one's just a Magically exclusive.
I didn't even know it was Magically.
Me neither.
And they're scented.
I didn't know that either, so...
I wonder what they smell like.
Go ahead and smell it.
I don't want it. I don't smell it.
But yeah, this one also was just released as well for the Heffalump 20th movie anniversary. Pretty cool. So we're on our way to Frontierland. I'm going to try to record as much as I can. Not that much, but we'll see. But
I don't think we've honestly ever been here on a Saturday to Frontierland.
We have, but it was 2 years ago.
Oh.
But yeah, that's what I'm saying. It was 2 years ago, so we'll see who's out here.
The cast member, she has like a bunch of little animals and trinkets like that. So she had them behind the register.
Oh, never mind. It says good. Let me see.
It's bad.
It's bad. There you go. People that we follow on Instagram, they have the new hidden Mickeys, and they find them on like the boards or like the cast member lanyards and stuff like that. So definitely gonna keep my eyes peeled real quick. Do you guys have any trivia pins?
Not here.
Not here. Do you guys have trivia pins or? Okay. I'll try a movie. Yeah. Toy Story?
What is the bad guy's name?
Zerd?
Yeah, which movie?
Oh yeah, which?
Oh, no, Sid? Yeah, okay. Let's try Froggy number 2.
Phil, yeah.
You do that one? Yeah.
Just erased all of us.
Do you have any trivia questions?
No.
Okay, no worries. Might as well just get that Loki one right there. The hidden Disney one. Oh, no. Me and Jazz noticed that over here at Pooh Corner, they have the rabbit. But never,
His name, right?
yeah, the rabbit's just rabbit. I haven't seen this one ever. This character, at least.
That's good, yeah. Keep them safe. We are still going on the ride. We got
2, 3, go birds!
I didn't know what to say.
We just found ourselves in Batuu. Where are we going, Jazz?
To Docking Bay 7. I'm gonna get a cold brew black cat.
There go Ray.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna give it a good mix.
That's like the most popular one here, right?
Yeah, they were making them like crazy. People were just picking them up back to back.
Have you had this before?
Yeah. So have you.
Oh.
They used to have the taro.
The taro one was delicious. It's good.
It's like chocolate.
Do you guys have any trivia?
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment. All right, no worries.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy, but I haven't seen any cast members with lanyards or anything like that. But I will say I did see one over there at Frontierland. It wasn't a lanyard or anything. It was like a scarf or something. And
She had good pins.
she had pins on it, and then like she turned it over, and then like it was like the backside where you just see the pin backs. And then I was like, hi, are those for trade shows? No. I was like, well,
You're funny.
I was like, all right. But that's about it.
Another loop.
Let's see what they got. I like your little Trader Joe's bag. Let's see. I'll get that one.
On here?
Yeah, and I'll let you choose.
Let's go. How about the buzz on the left?
On the left. Oh yeah, I have these two. But I don't know if you want.
Yeah, I'll stick with the buzz.
Sure, yeah, for sure.
The bottom one, yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Not a whole lot going on here. The past like 2 times I've been here, I haven't been able to find this box. It's not a crazy box or anything, but it drives me nuts when I can't find something that a lot of people have. Because every time like we were trading at Frontierland or something, people would have some from this set, and I was like, I cannot find that box. But yeah, here's the characters. Can I see the characters? Yeah. This box is $22.99. And those are the characters. Do you guys have any pin trivia?
Not today. They haven't brought me any new pins.
Oh, right on. Thank you. It's pretty lively here right now. It's like our second time coming, but the first time there was like a lot of people, but now there's like even more. I'm gonna do 8 and 21.
I was gonna do 20. Got a little Mickey Mouse. And a crocodile.
Okay on that one.
Got Oswald. And number 7.
Oh, nice.
The Ariel sister.
I'll trade for the Oswald.
Looking for something to trade. I see this one that I actually really like. My hands are ashy.
I do like.
I like the Mater as well.
Stitch fan of yours?
We'll start. We'll see what I can do. It's got to be like considered artsy or something, right? Somewhere, right? Over here, refreshment corner, got the nice little scenic table. But Jazz, let's see what you got here.
Adam's scared.
Oh, I'm not.
Yes, you are. This is a birria baked potato with salsa verde, but they would not put it on the side.
Oh yeah, the salsa. Yeah, no, I don't do salsa.
I didn't hear her explanation why, but she said they couldn't. Yeah, I don't have a problem with it, but I don't think it's gonna be spicy.
Yeah, because you. Never mind. I'm not gonna get into this. Enjoy, Jazz.
It's delicious. It has a little kick, I'm not gonna lie. But
How's the texture of everything?
good, I guess.
Go birds.
Do it for the birds.
We do it for something. Okay. Fair chunk. It's not that bad.
It's good.
It's good.
A lot of
I'm
flavor.
just not like a fan of like chili or like,
We know. But yeah, he gets like the hottest wings possible.
yeah, that's different.
It's not.
It does have a nice little kick, but it's like enjoyable, I guess. What is 7 out of 10?
I think it's an 8 for me. 8 out of 10. Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is insane how many people are here right now on a Saturday afternoon. Oh, there's Nerd. Do you have trivia pins? We made our way down here to downtown Disney, right next to the home store. They have this new store called Disney Storyland Boutique, and they have a bunch of different stuff that you wouldn't see in the park, I suppose. So yeah, we'll check this out right now, see what they got. There was a bit of a line to get in, but this is what the store looks like. I did talk to a cast member, and she did say that most of the stuff here is exclusive. So, very cool, very cool. Aristocats is what we're here for, and the Sousaphone.
$29.
It's $29.99. Look at that little bag.
Yes, yeah.
All right, so here's a mystery box they do have here. These retail for $9.99. There's seven designs. There's a mystery figure down there. I like that that Dumbo one, yeah. That one's really cool. Actually, these are pretty cool.
I'm gonna get one.
You want one? Go ahead. So this Berlioz keychain we were looking for, they sold out apparently since Thursday.
Toulouse, Berlioz, and Marie.
Sorry, I zoomed in.
Yeah.
But yeah, what's it called? Yeah, so he said, you know, they restock whenever, don't know exactly when.
Random.
Could get anything, anytime, so another time. Overall, it's a pretty cool store. There's a lot of people in there, but everything was moving really fast.
Don't let the line scare you away. It moves like 3 minutes.
Yeah, for that. Right now, we're gonna go to the sweet store again, because hopefully...
I want to try the popcorn. Do I grab it and then get a number, or?
I would go ahead and get a number because it's really crowded right now, and then
Go ahead and look around the store.
All right, so we are number 881. Jasmine said they just said number 30 something, so just to check out. Go Birds! All right, bag secured. Although we are on a mission, we were only like maybe 15 numbers away from what we needed to get.
But this was the fastest way to get it.
Mobile order it all the time. All right, guys, so let's check out this box. Which one do you think is gonna be, Jazz?
I feel like it's gonna be Goofy or Chip and Dale.
I hope it's the Dumbo one, which is the
I like
the
either.
Donald
I
one.
want either one of these, but I feel like we're gonna get one of these. There's also a mystery, and I saw who it was. I'll tell you guys if we don't get it. Ready?
Nice. No worries. Keep going. Yes.
Oh wow!
Yes.
I picked the box. But...
Damn, this is pretty small. I'm not gonna lie, but hell yeah. Just like what I wanted. Does it move? No.
No.
Nice. All right, guys. So just got back home. Pretty fun day at the parks, but I just wanted to say real quick, go Birds. And in 2 weeks, My D Pins, which is down the street from Disneyland, they are having a pin event for the weekend. So I'm definitely gonna pop in. Definitely looking forward to trading. I am looking for aliens, Muppets. Jasmine is looking for Cheshire Cat, and whatever else catches our eye. So say hi if you see us for sure. And yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. But go Birds. So right here is what we ended up finding today on the boards. Not too bad, honestly. I've never seen this Phil one, so that one was definitely different. Had to get that one from Trivia. This Oswald one was a must grab as well from the Frontierland board thing. And then this is what we ended up trading today at Frontierland as well. And the Oliver one was from a viewer. Shout out to you, Alyssa, for trading with us. But yeah, guys, so definitely bring stuff like this. Love to trade for it. And go Birds. So, by the way, that popcorn is very good. And Amir's crying, guys, so I gotta go. Bye.